Pattern facts of nature. When friends use fingerprint and DNA identification in many cases in this planet, it seems friends didn't realize that friends were using pattern facts of nature or the laws of everything. At the same time, friends neglected that there are others in pattern facts of nature or the laws of everything. Then, here it is. Pattern facts of nature is the highest law in the universe. It is the ultimate judge of everything. We can mention it as the law of everything. Physics laws, cases, and events are harmonious with pattern facts of nature. Likewise, theories and conclusions in the universe have to harmonize with and obey pattern facts of nature. Pattern facts of nature is neither coincidental thing nor a man-made law. Everything without exception, including events that we experience every moment, will always follow and obey pattern facts of nature. The most significant pattern facts of nature are 1. Equality pattern, 2. Stability pattern, and 3. Uniqueness pattern. These three pattern facts are highly involved in our daily life and activities. But we are not going to discuss stability pattern fact during this time. Equality pattern fact of nature states every subject or thing, either real or abstract, such as matter, energy, event, formula, space, time, and software has equality pattern character, that is, every subject has equality pattern with other subject in this universe. In other words, there is no subject having no equality pattern at all with other subject in this universe. Most commonly, every subject, either real or abstract, has equality pattern with more than one other subject in this universe. One significant expression of equality pattern fact is mathematics. Uniqueness pattern fact of nature states every concrete or real subject or thing, such as matter, structure, formation, building, and other items, has uniqueness character with one or more other subjects that have equality pattern with it. This fact expresses that regardless, every leaf of the same tree has extremely high degree of equality pattern with other leaves. Every of them remain unique. Two significant expressions of uniqueness pattern fact are fingerprint and DNA.